International Day of Family, 15th May 2020. Theme: Families and Climate Action. Wish you a happy International Day of Family. This day is celebrated all over the world. International Day of Family 2020, Friday, 15th May. World Family Day is celebrated on 15th of May in nations around the world. The United Nations and Universal Peace Federation are the main driving forces behind the celebration. It is celebrated on 15th of May every year. Families are like branches on a tree. We grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. Family isn't always blood. It's the people in your life who want you in their lives. The ones who accept you for what you are. The ones who do anything to see you smile and who love you no matter how or what you are. The family is the most important building block of a society. Having strong familial bonds provides support and a safe environment which are necessary for an individual's development. This day is celebrated with a dual purpose in mind: to raise awareness of the significance of families and the different aspects that are negatively affecting this unit. The day is also used to showcase how strengthened family unit eventually helps strengthen societies and nations. Each year, the United Nations decides upon a theme for the International Day of Families. This helps to define the overall direction of the issues that will be highlighted. The theme changes each year, depending on new challenges and developments. This year's theme is Families and Climate Action. Indians are brought up with a strong connection with family, no matter which section of society they belong to. In fact, many Indians still live in the joint family. There is a large need for awareness of the various problems faced by families in Indian society, for which this day could prove to be a great opportunity. Families are one of the most important aspects of any society. It is here that children are taught how to interact and integrate with other members of society. Elders are supported by their families as well. It is important to take the time to nurture familial bonds and address issues faced by families. If a family unit is happy and healthy, the individual member of such a family are sure to become healthy and contributing. Every family has a story to tell. The most precious gift given by God is our family. Love them, respect them, and treasure them, as they are the rationale for our smile and happiness. Happy International Family Day to you. Have a nice day. Thank you.